Dear students, today we will solve the question number 4. This is physics class 9 and chapter number is 3. The question states that a 5-gram bullet is fired by a gun. The bullet moves with a velocity of 300 meters per second. If the mass of the gun is 10 kg, find the recoil speed of the gun. This question belongs to the law of conservation of momentum. According to law of conservation of momentum, the momentum of a system before collision is equal to momentum of a system after collision. So we write here the momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. Since before the firing, the bullet and the gun both were at rest, so the total momentum before firing will be equal to 0, and the momentum after firing can be written as m into v plus m into capital V, capital M into capital V. Here, this small m stands for the mass of the bullet, and this small v stands for the velocity of the bullet after firing, and M is the mass of the gun, and capital V is the recoil velocity of the gun. The recoil velocity is the velocity with which the gun comes back after firing. That is called recoil velocity. So if we write data here, the mass of the bullet, since we have said that it is represented by small m, so we write here m is equal to 5 gram. Since the mass is not given in SI units, so we will convert it into kilogram by dividing 5 with 1000, and it will be 0.05 kg. Similarly, the velocity of the gun when it is velocity of the bullet when the bullet is fired is v, and this is given 300 meter per second. Multiply by v, which is the velocity of the gun, this is 300. Velocity of the bullet, this is 300, and plus mass of the gun, it is 10, and multiply by velocity of the gun, we have to calculate it. We will write v here. Now we multiply these two numbers 0.005 and with 300, it will give us, if we simplify it, these two zeros will be cancelled with two zeros, and 5 threes are 15 divided by 10 will give us 1.5, and 0 and plus 10 multiply by v. So we take 1.5 on the other side, it will become negative 1.5, and this is 10v. Since we have to find the v velocity, recoil velocity of the gun, we will divide 10 on the other side. So it will be v is equal to negative 1.5 and divided by 10, and it will be negative 0.15 meter per second. And this is the smaller value with the gun will uh, recoil or it will move backward. Here negative sign shows that the gun velocity will be opposite to the velocity of the bullet. Also, since this velocity of the gun is very small as compared to the velocity of the bullet, it means this is due to the larger mass of this velocity. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.